Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we'll show you how to add a video to Microsoft PowerPoint on your mobile device, step by step. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay updated with more tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and ready to create or edit a presentation. Step 2. Next, tap the plus sign at the top of the screen. This will allow you to start creating a new slide or presentation. Step 3. Choose a template from the available options. Pick the one that suits your presentation style or start with a blank slide. Step 4. Now, double tap on the text box or the area of the slide where you want to insert your video. This ensures that the focus is set to the right part of your slide. Step 5. After that, tap the Add option. This is usually represented by a small icon or menu option, depending on your app version. Step 6. Change the Home section to the Insert section. You can do this by tapping on the relevant tab or menu at the top or side of your screen. Step 7. Scroll down in the Insert section until you find the Video option. It's usually located near the Picture option. Once you see it, tap on it. Step 8. When prompted, select Insert Video from your phone storage. This allows you to browse and choose a video saved on your device. Step 9. Pick the video you want to include from your phone's storage. Make sure the file is compatible and of an appropriate size for your presentation. Step 10. Finally, resize and position the video on your slide as needed. You can drag and adjust it to make sure it fits perfectly within your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your PowerPoint slide on mobile. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.